Hello everyone, I am Sugadev. Welcome to Dev's Kitchen. So today we are going to see Kerala style avial, and this is Onam period, and this recipe is quite common at the time of Onam. And please do try this recipe at home. This recipe is very simple, at the same time it's very healthy as we are adding almost all the vegetables. Before we get into the video, please do subscribe and enable the notifications. Come, let's quickly get into the recipe. Let me tell you what are the vegetables I have taken. Carrot, beans, chow chow, brinjal, banana, potato, elephant yam and drumsticks. So these are the vegetables I have taken. It's up to you, whichever the vegetable you want to add, you can add, and whichever the one which you want to skip, you can skip. It's up to you, but ensure that you are taking many vegetables. And in addition to that, we will have to make a paste. I will tell you at the time of making the paste what are the things that are required. So we have to keep a pan and we have to add all the vegetables. And we have to add small amount of water. 1 glass tumbler of water is enough. We have to add small amount of salt. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt in this. And small amount of turmeric. We have to mix it. So after mixing, keep a lid and let it boil and let the vegetables cook. So now let me tell you what are the requirements for grinding a paste. Half coconut I have taken, and 5 green chilies and 1 teaspoon of cumin I have taken. It's been 5 minutes now and the vegetables are cooked perfectly. At this point we have to add the paste which we had grinded. And we have to take half cup of curd. We are adding the curd. And we have to mix it gently so that the vegetables doesn't break. So at this point you can taste and add if you need more salt. After adding the paste and curd, we have to close it with the lid, keep it in sim flame and leave it for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. So now we just have to add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil on top of this. Around 10 curry leaves we have to take and put it on top. And we have to switch it off and close it with the lid again. And leave this for another 20 minutes. In that heat itself, the oil and the curry leaves extract will get into the recipe and it will be very good. You don't need to heat it up, just leave it. So it's been 20 minutes now, so we will just open it. After opening, just mix it. It gives a nice smell. That's all. Our avial is ready. Our avial is ready. It's looking very yummy and smell is so good, guys. Very simple recipe. Please do try and let me know. Thank you so much.